Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration features on this device. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Over here, tap on Vibrate. This way you can mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. Then you can also tap on Sound and tap on the switcher next to Vibratory Ringing. This way you can enable all disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Now scroll down and choose Call Vibration Pattern. Over here, select one of those patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one for you and go back. Now you can do the same by tapping on Notification Vibration Pattern for your notifications. After that, tap on Vibration Intensity and adjust intensity of touch vibrations by swiping left or right on the slider over here. Then go back and select System Sound Vibration Control. Then scroll down and click on the switchers next to all of those vibration features to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!